I hope everybody is having a great day. Let's head into the Goodwill Bins and do some thrift shopping. All right, they got a bunch of wrapping paper. That means that there's lots of glass stuff in here. And it looks like it's already been picked over. There's not too much up here. Sometimes they unwrap stuff and put it up on top. Camouflage lampshade. Everybody needs one of those. Books. Lots of books here today at the Goodwill Bins. Here's a bunch of music books. I haven't found these in a long time. Definitely gonna grab all of them. Stop it right now, y'all. Are you serious? Y'all know how much I love soap. This is like the perfect size, the perfect color, and there is an entire box of it. Are you serious right now? It's so exciting. What is this? Stop it. Stop. A Swan soap holder and an entire box of soap. This is exciting. You know how sometimes when I'm thrifting, I'm like, oh, I love this. I wish I'd find a whole bin of them at the Goodwill Bins. Well, this shows that sometimes that happens and I find a whole bin of it. All right, what do we want a whole bin of next? What should we put out there? Okay, I really like these. This one has a big chip right here, but these three look like they're in good condition and I love them in sets of 3, and you just stack them up like this. Here's a cute little green dish, Smart USA on the bottom. I bet this is the perfect size for my soap. Let's see if it fits. Yep, look at that. Here's a little urn. Already has some foam in it. Just needs a paint job. I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the cart. I dug through all the walls and I've looked through most of the bins and I'm just not finding anything. There's lots of shoes, lots of clothing, and then they have bins like this with stuff, but just not things that I'm really interested in. Oh, this is cute. I like this planner with the hobnail detail. It was $50 at the store. I think I'm gonna get this. All right, guys, today was a quick trip because I have lots to do, but I'm glad I stopped by and made around because I feel like I got some really good stuff. I haven't found music sheets in a long time. We got a vase that we can paint. We got a cute little planter I can put in my house. And we got a whole box of soap, so now I can freely look for little soap dishes that I could put the soap in and then sell. And then I like to wrap it with some jute twine and some greenery, and that looks adorable. We also got a Swan soap holder and these cute little pots, and my friend Lee from the Turquoise Valentine has inspired me to start collecting minis. So I do have an old wood printer tray, so I'm looking for smalls that I can put in it, but I want to put stuff that's my style. So this is obviously not my style, so I'm just going to be looking for things that will fit, and then I can paint it whatever color that I want. I'm thinking since the printer tray is wood, I could fill it with cute little white things, just like I do the shelves at my house. So like white plates and white vases and white teacups. I just need to find them small enough, so we are on the hunt for that kind of stuff, and we're gonna fill up my printer tray. Well, let's head into the register, and I found this bin of stuff and also these little mini Monopoly pieces. These would be so cute for my printer tray, and maybe I could figure out how to DIY some little stacks of books. That little dog on a stack of books. Oh my gosh, look. A little tiny book. Hold up. Little tiny wooden book. Little tiny dog. How adorable is that? And I could definitely paint this book. All right, what else we got in here? A rocking rhino. I'll probably get some of these. I love the old wooden Christmas ornaments. Oh, look at this one, a bushel of cranberries. All right, I found a few cute little wooden ornaments, and now I am heading out. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.